for this, right? When I say that this is more than 0, right? How does it picture to you? So you imagine, okay, if I'm looking at this guy, right? This expression always associate to a graph. So imagine you have y equals to 2x squared plus x minus 2k. Okay, and you want this to be more than 0. Okay, you want this to be more than 0. So it's as though you are in the, what you need your y more than 0, right? If you combine 1 and 2, if you combine this and this, right, you can link this together because this is more than 0 and this is this, right? This is like what you need, right? How does it look like on the graph when your y is positive? When the y is positive, what does it look like on the graph? What does it look like on the graph? It looks like, yes. Okay, so it looks something like this. Agree? Where your y is positive, the upper portion of the Cartesian plane is where your y is positive. Cannot, because this is more than 0. It's like the y value of this is more than 0. The y value of this is more than 0. So this is a very subtle way of telling you that, guys, I want the discriminant to be less than 0. Who say positive? It's not positive. I want the discriminant to be less than 0. The reason is because if your y is always positive, right? So this one, your y is always positive. It's always positive. Okay? Or I can say that your y equals to 2x squared plus x minus 2k is always positive. Another way of saying this is your y equals to 2x squared plus x minus 2k will never intersect the x-axis. It will never intersect the x-axis. Okay, man? Can I? Another way to say this, y equals to 2x squared plus x minus 2k is always floating above the x-axis. Okay, it's always floating above. So, discriminant less than 0. Okay, ma? Is it okay? Okay, Anthony, okay, ma? Not okay. Okay, so one more time, ma. I want to find k where this guy is more than 0 lah. Or is 0 4? Okay, this is different from topic 5. How to differentiate topic 5 and topic 6? Topic 6, right? The discriminant is always, they have some unknown coefficient as k. You notice topic 6 has all the coefficient with unknown. Okay, they have all the k, all the constant, either the constant or the coefficient of x or the coefficient of the x squared are unknown. Then if I imagine this guy to be more than 0. Now I picture this as a y value, as a function. I picture this as a function. Is it okay? If I want this to be more than 0, it's like I also want my y to be positive, right? Because y equals to this is more than 0. Clear out? Yeah. I'm your friend, you like Shi Kai, so I also like Shi Kai. Something like that. Okay, I'm your girlfriend. No, I'm your friend, you like Shi Kai, so I also like to become friends with Shi Kai. Okay, y equals to this. This one more than 0, so y also more than 0, right? So if you look at the graph, right, where is y positive? Is it the upper half? Upper half, huh? So if y is always positive, I just say the same thing in 4 different ways. See which one connects to you. Okay, so it's like saying this one is always positive. It's like saying it will never intersect x-axis. It's like saying you will always be floating. So which if it's always floating, right, it's always positive, right? That means the discriminant should be negative. Okay now. Anyone still not sure of question 1.6? Would you like me to explain again? Okay? Dash? Okay. Kaden? Yunzim, okay ma? Is it okay? Okay. Filika, okay? Okay.